Hi, good evening everyone. Today we will be starting with the third design in which we will be going around on a HTML. We will be fixing the HTML on a first day. We will be setting the HTML, and after setting up the HTML, we will be doing the responsive on the next slide session. So let me share my screen. So the design that we will be continuing today. So I hope you are able to see my screen. Yeah. So this is a screen that we will be starting out. So let's start with this design. So I've kept the folder in the desktop so that we don't have to run it again and again. So I will be creating new folder here, that is index, that is design 3. Let's name it. I'm renaming it design 3. And in the same folder, I will be adding multiple folder. Let's add new first folder as CSS. Next folder as JS, next folder as JS, and third folder is images. We will directly be picking the images from here. So let's copy the assets from here, and we have assets here, and also in this we have got the font as well. So let's copy this. Let's copy the images. Let's first copy the images, and then later we will be copying the font as well. Let's make a copy here and let's paste the images here. Paste item. So I hope everyone is clear till this point that we are placing CSS images JS here. So after the same, what we will be going, we will be crossing this out and we will be opening the new design. So I will be opening the Visual Studio Code. So from here I will be opening my Visual Studio Code. As soon as I open my Visual Studio Code, I will file open new folder. So just give me a minute. Yeah. So what I will be doing, I will be clicking file, open folder. The folder which we have created on the desktop is the same that we will be using. So I will be going on desktop and I will be clicking design 3. So I will be opening the same folder. Yes, I trust the author, and after trusting it, what I will be doing, I will be creating one new file, that is index.html, where I will be allowing my design. So first of all, what I will be doing, I will be adding this, and after adding this, next step what I will be doing, I will be adding my style, that is CSS file. So here I will be creating one file, that is style.css. Here what I will be doing is, in order to see if all the design has been done, so what I will be doing, I will be giving body. I will be removing this property further, that is background color equal to orange. So as soon as I give orange to here, and now what I will be doing, style, that is CSS. This is the third part. So I'm not this. So let's again do that. So what I will be doing, link, the third option we need to go. So here what I will be doing, I will be doing image. I need to pick from CSS style.css. Also in the style.css, let's give the back width and the height equal to 100 VW, 100 VH. Or let's try this out and open this in live server for once, how our design is looking. Since I haven't given anything, so you are able to see now that the color of body is coming as orange. So my style has been added. So for now we will be removing this. First thing that we see in our image is, let's open the image. So this is the aqua color that is coming. So let's open the style guide as well. So what I will be opening, I will be going here in my design, and here is the style guide. So open. So I will be opening my style guide, and here I am seeing all the design, all the colors that are there. So this is the pale blue color that I'm able to see as a background. So let's add pale background in the body so that we don't have to play around with this color and animates more. So what I will be doing, I will be simply going here, and oh, we are in the Visual Studio only. So what I will be doing, I will be doing Control Z here, and here instead of orange, I will be doing the pale blue color. So that, because why to take a separate container if we are getting the full div? So let's go here. So where is my design? I think no, not in this. We have opened the same design there. So let's open the design. Okay, let's make it live server once again. So what I will be clicking, I will be opening it. And again, I think I have closed that out. So I will be opening that in the live server. So as soon as I open in the live server, now the things are as per our expectation. So the color is coming as background color equal to blue. Next thing that you need to consider here, and as per your image, I think we have closed the image as well. So my bad, it should not get closed. So yeah, so I will be going on to designs one again, and let's open the desktop design. So as soon as I go on to desktop design, here my main div is giving me full. So you can approximately guess that if the width and height will be 50 vh, 50 vw, height equal to 50 vw. Also there is box shadow as well. Shadow is coming for the box. So first we will be creating a container that has background color equal to white, and there I will be adding the lorem ipsum, some code there, and we will be adding the shadow there. Okay, so let's play around with this first. So let's open the Visual Studio Code once again. So as soon as I open the Visual Studio Code, what I will be doing, I will be adding container. So let's do one thing. Because we need it in the center as well. And so what I will be doing, I'm just playing around with the code. So I will be doing display flex, and justify content. Where is justify content, center, and align items center. So let's try this in this way, and let's save this out. And after that, I will be taking a container, a dot container. What will width 50 VW. Let's leave the height as is, and border radius is equal to 35 px. Let's save this out and let's see. And in the container, what I will be doing in the container, I will be adding lorem ipsum. So let's add lorem ipsum. Just allow me a minute. Okay. Yeah. Now the things are coming as per expected. So what? So I will be back in a minute. Yeah. Let's open this in the live server. So as soon as I open this in the live server, you will be able to see that it is coming, but my white color is not getting displayed. So in order to display the white color, my bad, I lost the connection in between. So let's share the screen again. So you are able to see the white screen here. So you are not able to say white screen here. So let's consider it out. Or let's make one thing, instead of giving the color to body, I will be giving the color to background as to not body. Let's make it container dot container dot subcontainer. So as soon as I give it the color to background subcontainer, or let's make it pale blue. So I think this is good. And what I will be doing, background color equal to white. So let's save this out. So as soon as I save this out, and let's do the changes in the container. So I have container, and further here I need to add sub container. So what I will be doing, I will be adding sub container, and as soon as I add sub container, let's cut this out and let's paste it here so that my white box should come. Because our first priority is we need a box that should come in 50 pixel 50x. Also, let's give the container width and height equal to 100 EW and 100 VH. So that is, I think we are missing out. So what we will be doing, we will be going on to style, and in container, let's give width and height. Width 100 VW and height 100 VH. So as soon as I make the changes, so and save this, so now you are able to see the boxes coming in the center. And let's compare it with our preview image. So you will be seeing that this box size is very small as compared to, or let's make it full screen. So after making a full screen also, so it's approximately 45, and we are given the 50 VH. So let's reduce this, because first of all we need to consider it for desktop. So in order to consider it for desktop, so let's remove this out. Here we will be giving 45 VW. So let's give it the 45 VW. So why the doc is not coming here? Okay, if the doc is not coming here, so let's make the changes from here. So here what I will be doing, I will be giving 45 VW. So let's save this out. After saving 45 VW, now the things look cool. So let's remove the content from here, that is this text, and add the boxes, that box 1 and box 2. Since you are able to see that you have two boxes here, so this is the first box that we will be needing, and it has 45% weightage, and here you have 60% weightage. So let's make this next thing. So let's give two boxes here instead of lorem ipsum. So let's open the Visual Studio Code. So as soon as we open the Visual Studio Code, here what we will be doing, we will be removing this lorem ipsum. So as soon as we delete the lorem ipsum, and next thing what I will be doing, dot box 1, and similarly I will be giving dot box 2. In the sub container also we will be giving display flex. So here I will be giving display flex. So as soon as I give display flex, so let's mute this or remove it, since we haven't added anything. So that's why nothing is coming here. So how we can get the mock here? Oh, we are not getting the mock here. So let's save this out. And after saving this out, next thing that you need to consider here is that as soon as this design is done, so let's add some content there. So first is we will be giving box color to box 1. So box 1 color is this one that is needed. So we will be copying this color and we will be pasting this color here. So what I will be doing, dot box 1 background color equal to this aqua, and second thing that we will be needing is that is background color is done. So after giving a background color, the next thing that we will be needing here is we need to give the border radius. Border radius is equal to 25 px. So let's save this out, and after saving this out we will be checking the image again that is coming here. So anyone on the Mac knows how the doc will come here, because I always have to land here. So comments are welcome. So here, if you see, next thing is you are getting this box that is 76. So first is you are writing your result here. So let's add your result here in the box. So Next thing what I will be doing in the box one, I will be adding result dot result, and here you will be writing your result. So let's copy this class and let's paste it here. So as soon as I go here and I select result and I add curly braces, so what I will be doing giving, I will be giving color equal to white, padding from top is 1 rem, left is 1, or let's give 1 rem from all side, and font size equal to 1 rem. For now, let's make it in such a way and let's see how this is coming. So if I click here, so your result is coming in such a way. Also, we need to give the width to it since we haven't given the width to box one. So it should be highly this one. So let's make it 45 VW. So let's make the width as width is equal to 45, not 45. Total width is 45, so we will be giving 20 VW. Now the things look cool. But your result should come in the center. So in order to display the same in the center, what I will be doing text align center. So as soon as text align is coming in the center, so if you compare your result here with your result that is coming in your image, then the color of your result is light. Okay, so let's see the style guide now further. Have we given any gradient as well? So no, we haven't given any gradient. So we are good, I think. Okay, okay, this is a gradient. So how to give a gradient? So we need to give a gradient to this. So let's search on ChatGPT how to give gradient, because it's large time I haven't used the gradient. So what we will be doing here, so we will be opening the gradient. So let's open the chat GPT from here. So my mouse is not working as expected. Chat GPT, how to give gradient, to give gradient in linear manner from top to bottom for these colors. So here I will be adding my colors. So let's see what all code we get here. So background linear gradient, this is okay. So let's copy this, and after copying, we will be pasting this in our style in the in box one. So let's delete it, let's save it, and let's check how the design has come. So now the things will come. So it has opposite gradient, that is 76, whereas this has light gradient. So let's check out how our design is looking now. So where is my HTML for design? Top to bottom gradient. So I think we can close this out, and we can open the index once again. So we will be opening it in live server once again. So you are saying now the gradient is coming in the similar manner as we have expected. So I think this is the thing that was expected, your result. So next thing is you need to give a circle here in which 76 will be coming in the center. So in order to achieve the same, what I will be doing, I will be adding after result, let's close and give dot circle here. So where is, I think dot circle. So what I will be giving here, I need to give two things. One is 76, another is out of 100. So dot lets me num. So I will be adding 76, and second is what is the second property? That is out of 100. That is result. Let's add dot result class again. Dot result, and here out of 100. So since I will be using using my code. So what I will be doing, I will be going here and clicking on 76. So what I will be doing, dot num and here font size equal to 3 rem. Let's give on 3 rem will be very much large because 48 pixel is very much, and by default 16 pixel is the 1 rem. That is the font size of body. So what I will be doing, 2.3 rem, and next color equal to white, and font weight equal to, let's give 800, 700 there. So let's save it out, and let's open the index once again. So as soon as I open it here, so here you are getting 76 out of 100. Just in circle, what we need to do, we need to give the border radius, and we need to give the opposite thing. So why 76 is coming again in different manner? So let's see. So where is circle? So this is a complete circle. So what I will be giving, I will be giving the opposite gradient to circle. So how we will be going out? So let's delete all the things. And after deleting all the things, what I will be doing? So I will be going on here on my circle. Since I haven't given any property, circle. So first thing, we will be making linear gradient opposite. So let's copy this out, and here what I will be pasting it here. So let's cut this, and let's cut here, and let's paste it here before that. So let's paste it, and let's give the comma here so that the gradient is okay. So once we are good with the linear gradient, next is we need to give the width. Width is equal to 10, or let's give 4 rem. 4 rem, and height also, height equal to 4 rem, and border radius border radius is equal to 4 rem. Let's give everything same, and let's see how our design is. This is the original image, and not, it is not out of, it is of 100. So let's also change, let remove of 100. Let's give of 100. So as soon as we give of 100, so now as soon as we open this in the live server, so now you will be saying that now the things are coming as expected, but the font size is very much. So let's decrease the size of 76, or let's make this align in the center. So I think in sub container we also have given display flex, or let's see, because our 76 should look like this. That is not like this, but instead it should look like this. 76 size is very much. So first of all, I will be increasing the size of my circle. So how I will be giving? So let's make it 10 rem. 10 rem, 10 rem, and let's save this out. And now let's check the HTML, how it is coming. So show all windows. Oh my bad. I hope the things are not expected like it should come. I'm not able to see the design. So let's open this. So now the 76 is coming in the large scale. So let's decrease the size of 76, and because it is not looking as expected. If I check out this design, that is, if I go here on my design, 76 should come like this. So let's make the design color as half. So it is here now. I think we have given, where is my Visual Studio Code? So I have given 10 rem. Let's decrease this to 7 rem, 7 rem, and border radius also 7 rem. So let's save it out. As soon as we, now our box is coming right. Also, if we see the color of the gradient, it is from dark to light. But if we compare here as well, so it is, if we go here, So gradient should be more of the blue as compared to purple. Am I right? So let's go on the chat GPT again, and let's give, uh, I need 70% of the gradient of a first color. So where is my chat GPT? So chat, you are seeing that chat GPT is, yeah, now our Chrome is helping us out. So earlier it was creating an issue. So let's decrease the size. Let's delete this as well, and let's open the chat GPT again. So what I will be doing, I will be opening my account, and as soon as I open my account, here I will be going on my chat GPT again. So I need gradient of first color weightage as 80%. Can you rewrite rewrite the code for same? So since we have given the gradient with 50% dominance, so here what I will be doing, you are seeing that you are just giving the percentage here, just opacity, that is 0 80. So let's change it from 20 to 80. So let's go here in the circle. So here is my colors that are coming, that is 80%, and the second color is 20%, comma 20%. So let's check out our designs again. So if I check here, so I think we have closed the live server. So let's open the live server once again. As soon as I open my live server, now you are seeing the color has been reduced. So I think let's copy the line of ChatGPT. That is the option. So let's, I think, oh, the comma is not, we have added a comma. So let's remove the comma from here. So where is the design? So we will be going on design. So here it is good. From 20, we need to remove the comma. So let's save this out. And now we will be checking. So here the gradient is very much checked. So it should not look like this. It should be mixing out. Now I will be asking the chat GPT. The color are not getting mixed. Color are not getting mixed in above pattern. Can you please provide me code so that color should also get mixed? Color should get dissolved. So let's save this and check. Yeah. So now what I will be doing, to bottom and to 80%, but wait, to smooth. Okay, 0 to 80 to 100. Okay, so what is the thing? So to bottom linear gradient, yes. Okay, I think this way you can blend from 80 to 100 light blue royal, or let's do one thing. Let's uh, add this as well. Okay, I think everyone is clear. We are getting stuck here. That is 0 to 20. So let's make it 75% here. Instead of 80, let's make it 65. 65. And let's copy the blue. Oh, we can dissolve it like this. So I'm just adding, play around with hit and trial. Let's make it 60. Let's make it 50, 50%. Let's save this out and try. No, it is not working. Yeah, but there is some dissolution here. So let's dissolve it in such a way. Instead of 50-50, we will be going 70-50. So now No, let's decrease the size of first to 40, and here you will be adding 80. So let's try this out and see. Now the things are working. 48 days looking awesome. I think ChatGPT not always help. So let's make it 90/40. Let's make it 90/40. So here I will be adding 90/40. So if you see here, so 90/40 is looking good. But let's compare it with the original design. If I search for the original design, over this color is coming. So it is not 40, it is just 5% or 10%. Okay, so let's reduce it by 10%. That is this color, the purple color. So it is just getting dissolved in the downward direction. So in such a way that the color is not matching at all. It's matching it with the blue. So what I will be doing, I will be just um, so let's check the design one again. So here above is purple and it is on the dark hand side, and here it is on the light hand side. So we need to play around with the gradient more. So let's make this color purple only, and let's make this light only. So it is not in such a manner. So it is purple only. So let's reverse the color here, and let's make the color dark. So what we will be doing, we will be cutting this out, and we will be pasting this color here. Okay, since I know that this is taking long time, but since we are playing around, the playing around is very much important when you are playing around. So learning will come side by when you start playing around with the things. Okay, instead of 67, let's make it a dark somewhere around here. So I need purple color only. So let's make it here look like this. So let's check out our design. So now 76 is not giving me. Let's refresh this out. So I think it hasn't got saved. Okay. So now let's try it out with no, nothing happened. So let's play around with the color more. 76. So let's go here. HSL. It is on the darkened side. That is 90%. Instead of 90, let's make it 10. So I think the 10 should work, but it is not working at all. Why it is not working? So we will be seeing around why it is not working. So let's play around. Oh, the background gradient is not getting applied here. So I think we have done some mistake. So let's fix that mistake as well. If the gradient is not going, so this is 10%. Oh, this bracket, this should not come. Okay, so now if I go here, so it is totally on the dark hand side, and we don't need so much dark here. Now we will be fixing the color. I know that today we are playing around with the gradient only, but this is the meaning. We are not here to complete multiple designs. We are here to learn the things. That's why we are playing around with these colors. Okay, so that the look and feel should look awesome. No one will teach you how to play around with this, how to do chat GPT and everything. So in these sessions in which we I am playing around, as we are playing around with the colors, we are playing around the real life scenario, how actual the developers in SME works. Okay, because I have 10 years of exposure in IT, where I've trained from 10 years of experience, I've trained multiple resources in multiple domains in Salesforce, web development, .NET, and multiple departments there. So it is a small company in which I was working earlier, around a base of 500 to 600 employees, out of which 600 to 700 I have trained, and there is a iteration as well because the company was not performing well. So it was always a regret for me that I have given the time, but the persons whom I set, whom I have fixed, they are sitting out of India in the abroad. So looking forward to see here as well those who are attending my sessions and everything. I need them to grow on a high end. So let's fix this 76. So our challenge is we will be fixing the 76 in the same manner and we will be closing this. So let's decrease the color. Now I think our color is working. So let's, okay. So if we compare it with our image, now this is on the better end. So here, now it is good. Just we need to increase the, so it's this. So let's copy this line first of all, and let's paste this linear gradient there so that we don't have to make any changes. So let's paste it here. Let's save this out. So as soon as we are done with this, so our linear, oh, then again we have made any mistake. So let's see. So if I go here on the circle, um, so I hope we have made the mistake. So let's, oh, my bad, to bottom. So let's change the color to light. I know that we have added this color. So let's go there and let's save this out. Okay, so let's move it. So after doing it, so let's check our design now. Just we need to increase the width here. Okay, so let's check out this design where the things are coming. So let's really remove the chat GPT, and here you will be seeing the black color is, the dark color is coming as expected, just it is very much dark. So let's move the gradient slowly downward. So what I will be doing in order to move that, so I will be increasing the width to 90%. So now instead of, let's make it 90. So as soon as I make it 90, so it is coming exactly, but here I need to increase the width as 70. So let's make it 70. 7. Oh, not 770, 70. So if you see here, so let's decrease the 90 to 55, 50. So here you are seeing now the things are coming, just they are not coming in the circular direction. So let's, instead of this, what I will be doing is 70, let's make it 90. Okay, so now the things are coming as expected. Just we need to reduce the color width. So if you compare here from this, you just need to decrease the color here. Rest the things are coming as expected. I think we are good with this. So let's make the color light here. So by going on the inspect element only, we will be decreasing the color. So where is the gradient? So let's first go here. Where is my circle coming? So here I will be decreasing the color. So let's make the color light as possible. So if we compare it with our design, where is our image? So now the things are as expected. So just we will be copying this color and let's copy the full line. Why to copy the color? We will be copying the full line here. So as soon as we copy the full line, so we copied it and let's paste it there so that our color will don't get dissolved here. So let's paste it here, that is background color. So let's remove it and let's save it out. Now our things are coming as expected. If I see here, let's close this responsiveness. If I see here, now the things are working. So just we need this in the center. So what I will be doing, I will be adding a flex on this and giving the flex direction equal to column to my 76. Okay. So next step is, let's see where my result is coming. So it is coming in the box 1. So what we will be doing, we will be going on to box 1 and I will be doing display flex and next is flex direction equal to column, and third property that we will be giving here is we will be playing around with the we have given the flex direction equal to column, And the third property that we will be giving here is that is um, um, align item center. Align item center. So let's give this property. So you are seeing now the things are coming as expected. So 70, just we need to move the 76 bit in the center. So what we will be doing now, so text align center. So as soon as we give the text align center, now 76 is coming as in the good manner. Just if we compare it, 76 has some padding from top. So we will be giving padding top as 2 rem. So let's give it 2 rem for now so that our 76 look like this. And also the font size is larger of 76. So let's increase the font size as 4 point, let's make it 3.3, and padding top is equal to 2 rem. Padding top is equal to 2 rem. So as soon as we get the padding top x to rem, so now you are seeing the 76 is coming as it is. Just we need to increase the size of 76. You are seeing how the design is getting evolved. So if you compare it from here to here, the things are getting evolved. Okay, and we are evolving it by our designs. So now what we will be doing, we will be increasing the size of this box. So how we will be increasing? We are given 7 rem. So let's give the 10 rem, not 7. So let's increase the size manually from here. We will be looking out which is looking good. So we will going on circle. Let's increase to 8 rem. Or 9 rem is very much. So let's give 8 rem, 8 rem, 8 rem. And if I go here, if we go here, so 8 rem. So if you check here, 8 rem is looking good. Just we need to decrease the padding from here. That is padding bottom. Okay. So in order to do the same, let's first make it 8 rem, 8 rem, 8 rem. So if I go here, instead of 7, let's make 8. If I go in the next line as well, I will be making it 8. And if I go here in the next line, I will be making it 8. Also, if I go on to number, we have padding given the padding top. So we haven't given the padding bottom. So on result, we have given the padding as 1 rem. So this is being considered the result. So of 100, on 100, we are getting 1 rem padding here. So if we decrease this padding, so now the things are looking, but we just need to decrease the padding of this. So what we will be doing, we will be giving 0 rem padding onto another class that we will be adding. So what I will be doing, result 100, 100, 100. So as soon as we give 100, so what I will be doing, I will be not adding, not 100, padding. Oh, my bad. I've added padding block end. So not now. So what I will be doing, I will be doing padding 0 rem. So let's save this out, and now let's check how our design is looking. Now the things are in our, oh, let's delete it. Now the things are coming as expected. So if we compare this with, let's decrease the size of it. So if we check it out with this, now the things are coming. This 76 size font family needs to be added. So let's complete the session today here only, where we have we have played around with the gradient in order to achieve this to this. I know that the color is not looking as expected because we haven't added full content. So we will be picking the things from here only tomorrow, and we will be completing this design to this. And in the third bootcamp of this session, we will be completing the responsiveness. So I hope you are enjoying my content. If you are enjoying my content, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such content. Thank you. Thanks everyone. So I'm putting this on halt. Thank you. Thanks.